Stop streaming right now. If you're a new host on Poppo Live and you just finished your stream, I need you to check your wallet. Go ahead, check it. If your 7-day bonus is missing, or worse, if you just got hit with a 24-hour ban, I guarantee I know exactly what you did wrong. Poppo is not playing games anymore. They have a new host policy in 2026. And the things you're doing to make money are actually the things getting you blacklisted. Today, I am exposing the 5 deadly sins that are stealing your bonus. And if you're lucky, I'll tell you how to fix it before your account is gone for good. Here's something your agent won't tell you. Poppo has an AI that watches you. It's not just a person reporting you, it's a robot that scans your stream every single second. When you sign up for that beautiful 7-day bonus, the one that promises you 10,000 points for streaming for 1 hour or 1,600 points for sitting in a party seat, you agree to play by their rules. Break the rules, the AI flags you. Lose your bonus, get banned. Simple as that. So let's look at the stupid mistakes newbies are making that are lighting their money on fire. Mistake number 1, the vampire stream. You think you're being smart, you turn off the lights so people can't see your background. But to Poppo, you look like an empty chair, or worse, a bot. If the AI can't see your face clearly, it assumes you're not really there. Violation bonus gone. Do this instead. Buy a cheap ring light. Sit facing a window. If you look dark and grainy, you look like a violation waiting to happen. Mistake number 2, the great escape. You leave the camera to go get water, or you walk to the other side of the room. The AI sees an empty frame. It doesn't care that you will be right back. It flags you, and that's a penalty. Mistake number 3, the daycare center. Streaming with babies or friends? Look, I know you love your family, but Poppo doesn't know that. They see an unauthorized user on the stream. They think you are sharing an account. Do this instead. If you need to step away, end the stream. It's better to lose 5 minutes of time than to lose 7 days of bonus. And when you stream solo. Mistake number 4, the nap trap. I see this every single day. Someone joins a party, puts their phone on the pillow, and goes to sleep, hoping to collect those 1,600 party points. Newsflash, Poppo's AI can hear you snoring. If you're not engaging, if you're not awake and active, they flag you for inactive streaming. You don't get the points, you get a ban. What I want you to do instead is, if you are tired, take a nap, rest. Don't stream rest, it's not worth it. Mistake number 5, the spin zone. Landscape, upside down, cropped faces. This screams, I don't know what I'm doing. Poppo wants portrait. They want a clean, professional frame. If your video is a mess, they assume your stream is a mess. And messy streams don't get bonuses. Let's do the math so you feel this. Lose your bonus because of a dark room? That's 10,000 points gone. That's real money. Get kicked out of a party because you fell asleep? That's 1,600 points gone. And worst of all, when you get banned, even for a day, your gifters forget about you. They move on to the next streamer. You lose your community. Look, you can try to figure this out alone. You can keep getting flagged, losing bonuses, and wondering why your payout is 0. Or you can join an agency that actually teaches you the rules. My name is Elisha. My agent code is 7727300. When you join my agency, I don't just add you to a list and forget about you. I teach you how to avoid these penalties. I tell you exactly what the AI is looking for. But you have to take the next step. Step 1. Open Poppo Live, search agent code 7727300. Join my agency. It's free. It takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Scroll down to the description of this video. Click the Telegram link. That is where I give the real guidance. That is where we talk about the policies before they change, so you're never caught off guard. Don't be the streamer crying about the lost bonus next week. Be the professional getting paid. Code 7727300. Links are below. I'll see you on Telegram.